I'm Danny with DIY Lighting Supplies, where we offer complete diagrams, instructions, and all the right parts and pre-assembled lamp rewiring kits for just about any lamp in your home, especially those that might be considered vintage. In this video, we're going to show you how to rewire a vintage 3-arm floor lamp with a center socket. These lamps were made from the 1940s and 50s and are still very popular today, especially among collectors. But if these lamps, now 60 to 80 years old, still have the original sockets, switches, and cords, they are not safe and really shouldn't be plugged in at all. However, rewiring these floor lamps are not nearly as difficult as you might think, as long as you follow these simple steps.
Start by inserting 2 pieces of 18 gauge wire through one of the sidearm sockets, one white for neutral, the other black for hot. Do this for each of the 3 sidearms, being certain to strip the plastic off of the ends of each wire. Next, place the lamp cord through the hole in the base of the lamp. Push it until it comes out through the wiring cluster where you've just inserted the other wires. Remember to remove the old 2-circuit rotary switch and replace it with a new one. Now that we have all of the wires in place that we'll be working with, we can now begin making the proper connections. Start by wiring your 3 sidearm sockets. Be certain to connect the black hot wire to the gold terminal point and the white neutral wire to the silver terminal point on each socket. We'll now focus on your wiring cluster, where the blue, black, and red cords from your switch, the black and white cords from your sockets, and the hot and neutral side of your lamp cord all come together. Don't forget to rewire your new center socket with the white wire going to the neutral terminal point and the black wire going to the gold. Then attach it to the side of the wiring cluster by using something like a bread tie to hold it in place. Next, using a wire connector, connect the blue wire from the switch to the black wires from any 2 sidearm sockets. In the same way, connect the red wire from the switch to the remaining black wire from the other sidearm socket. Now, connect the black wire from the switch to the black wire from the center socket and the smooth hot side of the incoming lamp cord. Finally, connect all the white wires from all 4 sockets to the ribbed neutral side of the incoming lamp cord. You have now completed your rewiring project. Remember, you can get all of the items used in this video, such as cords, switches, and sockets, in a complete rewiring kit at DIYlightingsupplies.com.